Looking for how to buy shares of CRA International Inc? This short guide shows the practical steps to locate CRAI and make a purchase. To buy CRAI, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker CRAI to find the correct listing. Make sure you select CRA International Inc. from the results before proceeding. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the NASDAQ ticker CRAI so you know it is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Once executed, your CRAI position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.